Side-by-side static photos force viewers to constantly look back and forth to spot differences. Instead, an interactive image slider lets them control the reveal, mapping the exact changes at their own pace. We are going to build a customized, responsive image slider using ImageMagixOnline and embed it directly into your site in just a few minutes. You only need a modern web browser and your before and after photos. Make sure both images are identically framed and check that the file sizes are under 50 megabytes each. Because this entire process happens securely in your browser, there are no heavy software downloads or account registrations required. You just prepare the assets and focus entirely on the visual proof. Go to the ImageMagixOnline before and after tool. You will see two clear drop zones taking up the main workspace. Drag your unedited starting image into the box on the left and drop your final edited version into the box on the right. Files move directly from a local folder into a secure browser session. They never upload to external cloud servers, keeping client photos private. Instantly, the interface switches to Viewer Ready, stacking the two images perfectly on top of each other. If the camera moved at all between taking these two shots, the final effect will fail. The slider relies on exact pixel alignment to display your modifications accurately. Combining perfectly framed photography with secure, instant local processing provides the exact foundation you need for a flawless professional presentation. Step 2 is customizing the display. Locate the layout controls sitting directly above the preview window. You can toggle the traditional side-by-side mode to view both photos completely at once, but the overlapping slider mode is what allows viewers to isolate precise shifts in lighting and shape. Set the layout back to slider mode. Then, find the two text info boxes overlaid on the preview corners. Delete the default before and after tags. Type in specific labels that match your exact project, like raw image on the left and color graded on the right. Next, open the integrated color picker. Change the central slider handle to match your brand palette. Applying accurate context labels and custom brand colors elevates a generic web widget into a cohesive, tailored piece of your portfolio. Now we test the build. Click the handle and manually drag it left and right across the preview pane. The tool uses GPU acceleration, ensuring the visual rendering stays perfectly smooth as the top layer crops to reveal the bottom layer. This interface is built for mobile touch gestures. Visitors on smartphones can organically swipe the divider left and right with their thumb. To export your work, go to the action buttons below. Click Download to generate a flattened, high-resolution static image of your current view. Saving a static fallback guarantees you still have a postable asset for platforms like Instagram, which do not support interactive HTML widgets. For your actual website, click the Copy Embed Code button to capture the underlying HTML script. Open your website builder, whether that is WordPress, Squarespace, or another platform, add a custom HTML block, and paste that exact snippet in. Generating both a static visual for social reach and dynamic code for website integration ensures your transformation is properly showcased across every digital touchpoint. Refresh your live page, and the interactive slider is immediately operational, sitting completely natively within your site layout. This exact setup works perfectly for e-commerce store owners demonstrating product variations or graphic designers displaying clean edge cutouts. If you need to generate those transparent cutouts first, you can run your original files through the platform's companion AI background remover tool before importing them into the slider. Replacing static claims with interactive visual proof invites users to pause and engage. That increased time on page translates directly into higher trust and stronger conversion rates for your business.